Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I am glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. In today's video, we are going to be making this beautiful dessert fried ice cream. Ice cream is already one of my favorite desserts, so frying this is going to take it to another level. Let me show you what you need in order to achieve this beautiful dessert. I am going to be using vanilla today, so let's get going. So for this recipe, you would need, obviously you need corn flakes. I'm not a really big fan of this type, so I'm going to use my regular corn flakes, which is the K with all the fruits in it. I'm going to mix this version with the other one that I bought from Walmart. Walnut, if you're not a fan of walnut, don't try it, just let it be. It's going to bring that milky taste because walnut itself is already sweet, so we're not adding sugar. And the ice cream I made is pretty sweet, is vanilla. And if you have not watched any of my ice cream videos, I'm going to link them below, and also right here, go and watch my ice cream videos. We're going to add some cinnamon. You need eggs. I have 3 eggs here. Coconut. You do not need coconut flakes. Coconut flakes are my favorite. I love coconut in almost every shape. So I'm going to add some of these. I'm going to go ahead and bring my eggs. In a different bowl, I'm going to mix my corn flakes, my walnut, add the cinnamon, and of course my coconut flakes. Beat your eggs just a little bit, just to mix it. So I forgot to scoop the ice cream and make balls with it, so I'm going to have to figure out how to do that. I'm probably gonna dip my spoon here and clean my hands and use that. So I was able to form this with my hand. First thing is we're gonna dip this here. Just gonna dip that. Drop it into our egg, dip it back in there. You want to make sure the ice cream is very coated. I'm going to place it here and going to finish the rest, and we're going to freeze it for 1 day. Here is my ice cream after 1 full day in the freezer. So it's pretty hard. It's pretty hard. I just want to make sure that it's well coated. See, it's hard to remove because it's very frozen. You want it to be very frozen because you don't want it to like melt while you fry it. I'm so excited to fry these. So I have the oil on the fire. I'm waiting for that to get hot so that I can deep fry my ice creams. First, you don't need to fry for too long. As you can see, I didn't close this one well, so the ice cream is literally trying to come out of it. You don't want that, but